Welcome to Sonore and Scale Studios. In today's video, we're going to take a look at one way that you can take a crawler that might seem out of control. Like for me, this Element Enduro scale trail truck, while this thing is awesome, and I'm not denying that it is awesome out of the box, for me, it's a little fast, and no matter how I adjusted the transmitter, this is about as slow as I could get it to crawl. So, what's a solution to this? Well, there are quite a few, but today we're going to look at a specific one, and it is a QuicRun Fusion by HobbyWing. We're also installing the FlySky GT5 transmitter receiver combo. After this motor ESC swap, you're immediately going to notice that this thing has been slowed to a snail's pace. And you might still be wondering, well, what's the FOC? Well, the FOC is an acronym for a technology that HobbyWing has developed. It stands for Field Oriented Control. They've incorporated it into this all-in-one. The ESC is inside the motor can, and you're going to find in the box a program card that looks really similar to the program card that comes with the tried true 1080 ESC that I'm a huge fan of. Now, this setup is brushless, and this field oriented control basically compensates and speed matches regardless of obstruction, difficulty, incline, or obstacles, therefore, that you meet on the trail. What you get is a very slow, very controlled, smooth, methodical crawl rate. So, if you're curious to see how this performs out on the rocks, well, stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Click the bell so you're notified of future uploads. Click on one of the other videos you see here, and we will catch you guys in that next one.